And they're trolling. And Moana Spirit out wide on the track was one of the better ones away, with Pulp Friction Scorching Beauty up on the inside. Followed by My Luminessa getting to third, and 3 lengths away to Belfast Boy last of the group. So the leader is Scorching Beauty. Inside the 600 metres, Pulp Friction is in second placing, and then followed by along the inside My Luminessa, Moana Spirit fourth one off the rail, and 3 lengths away to Belfast Boy at the tail end. Around the corner now, 300 metres to go. It's Scorching Beauty first into the straight from Pulp Friction. Moana Spirit in plenty of air up the middle, followed by My Luminessa. 200 metres to go. It's Scorching Beauty now nursed along. 3/4 Pulp Friction, Moana Spirit. Scorching Beauty is gripping on near the line, and we'll see it out. Scorching Beauty won it by a long neck on Moana Spirit, Pulp Friction. Then came My Luminessa and Belfast Boy.